Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I come to you with a photo album that I made for my older niece. The album dimensions are 21 cm in length by 18 cm in width, and the spine measures 7 cm. It has 4 cards, and as you see, each of them is a different color: blue, yellow, red and orange. My niece is crazy about her dog named Hermes, and the mini scrapbook is dedicated to him. And here is the main hero of the album, Hermes, the year-old dog today. Who could think that a year ago he looked like this, tiny little puppy. The booklet is inside a deep pocket on the left side of the cover. Additionally, there is a small transparent pocket with matching decorations as the card. The card contains Hermes's birth certificate and the first picture from the day he joined my niece's life. In this certificate there is a place for the dog's name, his date of birth, what distance he had to travel to his new house and from where. You need to know that my sister has 3 other dogs who quickly became his new friends, so I left some space for their names as well: Lando, Diego and Lucia. And of course, we cannot forget to mention the owner and let everybody know that she's the best in the world. My niece is not afraid of colors, hence the album is very colorful. I used the Eco Park collection paper called I Love My Dog, a bigger and smaller set of sheets. I made this album in secret, hence it includes only several pictures which I had or I was able to get. I used them to illustrate how the album would look with photos of the dog. Each card has an identical side pocket with a photo mat inside for extra pictures. The album can contain between 60 to 90 photos depending on the arrangement. There are many mats where you can attach photos on one or both sides or write notes instead. On the next card there is an accordion-shaped booklet and below a pocket with a mat. What I really like in this collection are the cards with beautiful sentences, like this one. Some people will never understand how much I love my dog, but that's okay, my dog knows. I'm sure Hermes knows that. I made the paper buttons using circle die cuts, and together with the string I used them as a closure. There are 3 flaps for 6 pictures, plus an additional place for 1 bigger or 2 smaller in the middle. Here is the next pocket with 2 mats and a booklet, and again a great sentence in the front: "The road to my heart is paved with paw prints." After opening the flap, appears first pop-up decoration and place for 2 or 3 pictures. niece prefers to take and collect photos rather than making notes. For this reason, I made the photo album and not a journal and did not include any tags. On this card, there is something that looks like a big belly band. However, it's two separate spaces for booklets. I put here a card from the collection with a beautiful sentence. Without my dog, my wallet would be full, my house would be clean, but my heart would be empty. The decorative elements and slogans in the collection are available as stickers, and I use them to decorate the booklets. Dogs add color to our lives. I agree with that, and I think that it's true for all pets. And under the flap there is the next pop-up decoration. 4 pairs of eyes look at you carefully. Isn't it adorable? In the pocket there are more mats for pictures. The last pocket on the back cover is closed with a flap. It contains additional mats and booklets, creating even more different places for pictures. And on the inside of the flap, I included 2 more photos of Hermes. My niece was delighted with the gift and enjoyed the album. I hope you like the project as well. Let me know what you think, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next movie.